Oi, Get Off Our Train by John Birmingham. You aren't still playing with that train, are you? Get to bed immediately. You know you have to be up early for school tomorrow. Here is your pyjama case dog. I found it under a cushion in the sitting room. Now settle down and go to sleep. We're ready to go now. Don't make too much noise with the shovel. If there's time, we can have a picnic. It looks as if it's going to be foggy ahead. If it is, we can play ghosts. Oi, get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. Someone is coming to cut off my tusks, and soon there'll be none of us left. It is going to be a very hot day. If it is, we must find somewhere for a swim. Oi, get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. If I stay in the sea, I won't have enough to eat because people are making the water very dirty and they are catching too many fish, and soon there'll be none of us left. I think there is going to be a strong wind. If there is, we can all fly kites. Oi, get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. I live in the marshes and they are draining the water out of them. I can't live on dry land, and soon there'll be none of us left. It looks as if it's going to rain soon. If it does, we can all muck about with umbrellas. Oi, get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. They are cutting down the forests where I live, and soon there'll be none of us left. I think there's enough snow now. If there is, we can all throw snowballs. Oi, get off our train! Please let me ride on your train. I live in the frozen north, and somebody wants my fur to make a coat out of, and soon there'll be none of us left. If it does not stop snowing soon, we are going to get stuck. We must go back now. I have to get to school in the morning. You must get up immediately or you'll be late for school. There are lots of animals in the house. There's an elephant in the hall, a seal in the bath, a crane in the washing, a tiger on the stairs, and a polar bear by the fridge. Is that anything to do with you?